Hi, and welcome to today's PDQ PD. Today I'd like to show you how to use the Bookmarks Bar in your Chrome browser. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'd like to show you how to make your Bookmarks Bar viewable. So if you'll go to the upper right in your window here, and you can see where I am focused on the three horizontal bar button. You click on that and drag down to Bookmarks. You will see you can drag down to something called Show Bookmarks Bar. If you'll click on that, it brings open this little bar. Now I'm going to enter a web address in this window up here, and this is called the Omnibox, by the way. So I'm going to start with the Anderson Community Schools website. And you can see now I've brought up the website. And now I'd like to bookmark this. I'd like to leave it up here so that I can get to it very readily wherever I am in my Chrome browser. So to do that, very simply, this little star here on the right of the Omnibox, I'm going to, you see when I scroll over it, it says bookmark this page. I'm going to click on the star, and it asks me, it gives me the name, and it asks me if I want it to be in the Bookmarks Bar, and I will have some options here, and I'll show you those in a moment. But for now, Bookmarks Bar is fine. I'll click Done. And you see it brings the little bookmark here that says Anderson Community, and it doesn't show the entire text here. It brings that to your Bookmarks Bar. So let's go ahead and add another, just to give you a little bit of a comparison here. And I'm going to go to a simple one, CNN. And again, I'm going to go to my star, and I'm going to bookmark the CNN site, and it asks me the same question. And I think it's fine right there, so I'll leave it there. And then a third I'm just going to add here just to show you the options. I'm going to add our Canvas site. So I type in the acsc.instructure.com, and you see it brings up our Canvas login page. And I'm going to bookmark the Canvas login page. Now, an advantage to doing something like that is a lot of people will go use the ACSC page, go to that, go to staff links, find the link that they want, then click on it, and it would take them to something like Canvas. In this case, you can bookmark it. It's at the top of your page. So you can leave in your Bookmarks Bar all of the bookmarks that you go to the most often, and they're right there at your fingertips. You don't have to go to 3 or 4 clicks to find the website. Now, let's say in this simple example, I want to reorganize these. I want my Canvas login to be first. I'm going to simply click on that tab, and I'm going to drag it to where I want it, and I can reorder the tab in the order that I see fit. Now you can see I have the 3. I've shown you how to reorder them from right here just by clicking and dragging. Now there's another option for reordering them, and if you get a lot of them, you may have a need to reorder them. You may have a brand new one that you want, and maybe your Bookmarks Bar is full and you want to add it to that. There's a way to organize and order your bookmarks. And if you'll go back up here to the 3 horizontal lines and scroll down to Bookmarks and go to your Bookmarks Manager. Your Bookmarks Manager opens a page. Here's a Bookmarks Bar folder in which these bookmarks live. Now you can go into the folder here, the pull-down bar. You could add a folder, and you could add, let's say you wanted everything that had to do with schoolwork, all the bookmarks that you wanted associated with school. You would call this folder School, and it creates a folder, and the folder is actually on the Bookmarks Bar. Then you could take a particular bookmark. If you go to the Bookmarks Bar, you could take any of these bookmarks and you could drag it into the school folder. Now it goes away from the bar, but it goes into the folder, and then when you click on School, it appears there. So you could organize by topic if you wanted to, and then you could just pull down and have them from there. But for now, I am going to take this and put it back to our Bookmarks Bar. I can bookmark this page, and you see it brings up my Bookmarks Manager here on my toolbar. And let's say I drag that all the way over to the left because I don't want it in the middle of all my bookmarks. Leave it over on the left. Now, wherever I am, if I decide I need to organize my bookmarks, I can click on my Bookmarks Manager right from my Bookmark Bar, and it brings up those bookmarks. You can see that these take up, right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 bookmarks here, and I'm probably a little bit more than halfway done as far as space goes. Now if I wanted to fit more bookmarks onto this bookmark bar, I have an option. I'm going to use the CNN as my example here. I'm going to go to that bookmark, and while I'm scrolling over it, right click, and I'm going to go to the Edit, and you see it brings up, the name of it is Breaking News, Daily News and Video, CNN.com. That text takes a lot of space up. So I'm going to simply delete that text and hit Save. And you can see what's happened is the bookmark still remains, and when I open the bookmark, the text is still here, but on my toolbar, it's only the icon, and you see how much space that saves. Now, after logging in a few times, you'll recognize the icon to Canvas, so you can go to the Edit, take out the text, save, and now, if you know what your icons are, you don't need to have the text in there, and that saves you a lot of space. So there are some tips to organizing your bookmarks in your Chrome browser. I hope this will help you and your students increase your productivity a little bit, get you a little more organized, cut down on the number of clicking that you have to do to get to where you need to be. As always, if you have any hints on things that I could do for future PDQ PDs, please let me know. And in the meantime, have a great day.